All right, guys, we are here at my favorite spot. Hello, Mr.MiyagiStyle. We are going to do a quick test. The weather is kind of cloudy as usual here. Always cloudy here. We get some nice weather here. I'm just going to. We finally, just so you know, you guys saw that I had a really bad start with the HoverAIRX1 Pro that I just got a couple days ago. It was not a good beginning, but it's worked out. So what the problem was that it was more or less Android phones than it was iPhone. iPhone users didn't have the kind of problems that we had. Android users, I'm not sure why. I just don't get it. Anyways, it was a combination of the firmware and also the app itself that caused all these issues. There was connection issues at the very beginning to the app, that kind of stuff. So HoverAir launched they released the new app version yesterday, but it still had problems. It was supposed to activate the firmware update. It did not. Some got it, some didn't. I'm guessing it's probably because it's rolling out in different regions. I'm in Canada here, so we just got ours. I'm just gonna put this on my car here. Hold on. We just got the so, oh, sorry. I'm doing it on a car mount. Sorry. So we just got it on the Canada region. It came in this morning. Somebody got it and told me. So I thank God. I'm like, ugh. Got my coffee. Did the firmware update. Took forever to do. It's a big firmware update, massive, and they fixed 95% of the problems that we had the last couple days. What I'm thinking is that because this was actually early, it was rolled out. It was supposed to come to us at the mid and the end of October. I don't think they were ready for this, especially with the app side of it. It's no excuse. The app should have been the first thing to have been taken care of, rather than the last thing with a drone that uses the app to do a lot of the controls and settings. So anyways, I don't want to make this too long. I got some tests to do. I'm just gonna do the basic flight patterns, the flight modes, and see how it goes. And you guys can take a look at the. Too bad it's not a sunny day, guys. We've got some clouds. So somebody had mentioned that the clouds were blown out and it wasn't detailed. So I'm about to prove that wrong, because I still think the clouds look better than the Action 5, to be honest with you. So you're gonna see it's kind of cloudy. I like the cloudy because it gives the clouds a little bit more definition. And I'll try and shoot some up in the air with some of the flight modes. I only have the one battery, so hopefully I can get as much as I can in as possible. But anyways, here's the new guy. I already got the case made for this thing, designed and printed. It's got the yellow lid. It's got a little belt clip so I can clip it on. I'm going to also record my DJI mic 2 and see which one comes out better. I've got the Go 3S doing the POV, and so let's go on with it. Talk to you soon. Bye.
Continue. Hover.
Here we go. Let's see the other one. It's a little bit windy. All right, we are hovering here. It's a little bit windy, so let's see how this drone holds up. I've got this on 4K 60. I'm gonna do a little roundabout. Circle around. Circle this way. It's picking me up. I'm about, I would say probably about 15 feet, 20 feet away. And it's still tracking me. That's a good sign. Tracking's pretty long on this, so let's go on this. Better? Yeah, still being tracking me. All right. So that's the hover mode. Let's try a different mode.
Zoom out.
Zoom out mode.
30 feet. Zoom out.
All right, here we go. It's gonna go zoom out. How's my hair? How's my hair? 30 feet. Going high. About 30 feet. All right, 30 feet.
Follow.
Okay, so this is gonna follow me from far away. There we go. Good. Supposed to be far. Okay, let's see how far it goes. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Let's go this way. Is it gonna lose me? Gonna lose me? Let's go. All right, let's see where this goes. I'm gonna go around a barn. Run around a barn. That's not bad. How's it looking? It's good.
Feet. Orbit.
So 50?
Dolly track.
Okay, it's gonna shoot from the bottom low. So I'm gonna go across. This is where the Neo fails because the Neo has a really bad front dolly track. So I'm running pretty quick and this thing is really fast. Look how fast this thing's going. You can see it on the Go 3 camera. And it's just amazing at tracking. And this is low track. This way. And it's kipping. It's pretty wild. The dolly track works amazing on this. Recording. This basically tracks me from the side.
Side track.
So we're gonna sidetrack.
Far. Follow.
Follow's good. See how far this goes. There you go. See it? All right, we're off. Let's go back. I'm gonna run. Let's run. Let's run. Okay, we're done for the day. I'm tired. All good? Okay, that's it for today. Well done.